Ebbsville, Kachina 10. So it's butternut squash season. So I thought a perfect recipe would be show you a kind of an unusual one. I found this. So you saw the two pictures. I laid it out on the cookie sheet and then I baked it for about 45 minutes to an hour until it was kind of golden. Now I've taken all those ingredients and put them in here. So that was the butternut squash, the onion, the leek, the ginger that was peeled, and a medium head of garlic that was in foil, and then I took that out. Now I've got it all in my Vitamix, and we're ultimately going to use all this chicken broth, but right now I'm only going to put about half of it in there, and we're going to blend it up. So here we are. I've just blended that, and we're going to put the rest of that chicken broth in there. And we're going to cook this over medium heat. We have the oven on underneath there. We'll start stirring it up. Then we're going to add about a cup of coconut milk. Remember, we do dairy-free around here. And actually, I think the coconut milk, anything coconut is always a little bit better. So it calls for a cup of coconut milk. There's about a half a can. In addition, a teaspoon or more curry powder, depends on how much curry you like, and a little pinch of cayenne just for a little bit of heat and taste. And that's it. And it's supposed to serve 6 people. It's a really great fall recipe.